giggity. If I pull it out, I get busy. See, forgetting I dance, but get jiggy. We.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Wortho, and we're back with another video. How you guys doing today? You doing good? That's what's up. Welcome back to the channel. Right now, we are about to react to Screwface Jean featuring ezmil, RATCHET, and RATCHET official music video. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below what other ezmil or Screwface Jean songs you would like for me to react to next, and I'll do my best to get to them, because once I say that, I get a buttload of requests, you feel me? So yeah, and be sure to follow me on social media. Link in the description down below. My Instagram is right here, Wortho. Appreciate the follow. And yeah, man, let's get straight into the music video. See what's popping off, because Screwface, if y'all don't know who Screwface Jean is, bro, he's one of the most underrated YouTube rappers in the game right now, in the rap industry, in terms of YouTube. He's a YouTuber and he's a rapper, you know what I'm saying? He's one of the most slept on. He has so many bars, so many flows. He's so different, like he's so unique. I've heard a couple of his songs, like for real, I like his songs, and y'all can't tell me he's not good. For this collaboration to happen, bro, whoo, man, whoo. So let's get it straight to it. I didn't get a chance to. I've been holding off on this reaction. I've been holding off on it because I wanted to like get the other ezmil videos out the way so we can get to this one. So let's check it out, man. Thank you guys for all love support. We're almost at 12K, so hit that subscribe button. Let's get to 12K. All right, let's get straight to the video, man. Come on, let's do this.
Oh, time to get to it. Let's get right to the... Hello?
Hey, what up, cuz?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh yeah, it's about that time. It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
Uh-oh.
I came from the sand, that's my holy land. Understand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose and stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off, then it's showing up came in righteous in a broken land. Quit all of that chicken and none of that chat. We can be right to the rest. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people in the storm.
Hey, real quick. Hold on. Yo, in this song, this nigga is giving me Pop Smoke vibes, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Giving that New York's drill music vibe. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hell yeah, I like that. That's why I like Screwface Jean, bro. That's why I like him.
So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. So fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from humble beginners until I'm fucking I'm winning. The middle lane is full of snakes. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run around with us. Face the general, easy to fucking lieutenant. Let's get it.
Similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch, cause I'm lyrically amazing. I'm billion dollar bitches, some blue faces on my stack, homie. Give a fuck where you from or at, homie. Send me the addy, we put it them now. Send me the addy, we put it them now. Fuck up the block, we running you down. Now you got murder on the car. Who fucking this a dollar on the rigger? We gon' run the exit, driving in the sprinter with the SMS signing with the living like a homies rest in peace t-shirt. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt.
Woo!
None of that chat. We can be right to the rest. See bitches be talking, but bitches be capping. We can be right to the rest. Hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom with people in the storm. We can be right to the rest.
Shit up this stained up in a demon whip. Got the cane cup that a fiend can sip. But the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen dripping on down for a bullet of soul. So y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she paid for the pole.
So ready and go, and I said it before. If they snakes like Medusa, let's set it in stone. Now there's some things that the
Hear that one more time.
pink and sipper, but the A, but to let the evil get another thing. Fuck shit for the semen, tripping on down for a bullet of soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all getting booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up and she beg for the pole. So
you think she's ratchet, but she hit me up for the pole. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the dirty collaboration, bro. This is nasty, bro. This is
Ago, I said it before. They snakes like Medusa, let's set in stone. I've done some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bay where the Pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick in with a semi, they pros. Like a mafia, eat a lobster with pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty options. Body on my bodyguards, Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
School that stomp on her heads like a soccer. Deflating those booty shells to they blanca. We launching Boeings to set up the casa. So get to home and to set up your starter.
Quit all of that cheating, all of that chat. We can be righteous and ratchet. Bitches be talking, bitches be capping. We can be righteous and ratchet. Hey, we can be righteous and ratchet. I came from the bottom with people in start. We can be righteous and ratchet.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh damn, the beat went off. I was gonna freestyle for a little bit. ezmil. Screwface. Gene. Yeah. Yeah.
Cadence.
That was official. That was a nasty collaboration. For real. I ain't gonna lie to you. That was a nasty collaboration, man. If you guys enjoyed that video like I did, be sure to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below what other video you'd like for me to react to next, and I'll do my best to get to it. Cause I get a lot of requests. I would do my best to get to it. Be sure to follow me on social media. Link in the description down below, and my Instagram is right here. Wortho. Appreciate the follow. Shout out to Screwface Gene and ezmil. I definitely would like to work with these artists, but you know, I gotta get my subscriber count up so they can see the video and be like, oh, you like my stuff? Okay, we can work together. Let's do something together. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But so one of y'all told me, Z told me, I can definitely reach out to ezmil to get a collab. I'm definitely gonna do that because I want him to be on one of my songs. He definitely will fit the aesthetic of that song that I have. So yeah, if y'all didn't know, I'm an artist. Yeah, I'm an artist. Y'all probably haven't listened to my music yet. It's worked on all platforms. Check out my music. Check it out, so you know that I mean business. So yeah, man. Shout out to ezmil. Shout out to Screwface Gene, Righteous and Ratchet. Pushing me the video, and it's a great video, man. See you guys in the next video. It's your boy Wortho. I'm out. Peace.